This is a really simple and easy gluten-free blackberry and banana bread. So you'll need 2 very ripe bananas, which you will need to mash. Add 200 grams of sugar and 100 grams of vegan margarine and mix well. Add a teaspoon of cinnamon and 60 milliliters of plant milk mixed with 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, and then add your gluten-free flour, 250 grams, and 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda or baking powder. And lastly, add your 150 grams of blackberries, add your mixture to a loaf tin and bake for approximately 60 to 70 minutes or until a skewer comes out clean. And yeah, we hope you enjoyed today's recipe. See you again next week.